Hey DIY enthusiasts! And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the feeling of tackling a project with your own two hands. But let's be honest, sometimes those little frustrations pop up and make things harder than they need to be. That's why I'm excited to share these 10 genius handyman hacks. These are the kind of tricks that make you say, why didn't I think of that? We're talking about simple solutions using everyday items to save you time, reduce headaches, and quite frankly, make you look like a DIY pro. So grab your tool belts and let's get this job done right, the smart way. We've all been there, trying to hold a tiny screw in place while maneuvering a screwdriver in a tight space. Frustrating, right? Well, here's a simple fix. Grab any old magnet, even one off your fridge, and rub it along the shaft of your screwdriver. This magnetizes the screwdriver, allowing it to hold on to screws like magic. No more dropping screws and wasting valuable time searching for them. Stripped screw heads are the bane of any DIYer's existence. But before you reach for the drill, try this. Place a wide rubber band over the stripped screw head. The rubber band provides extra grip for your screwdriver, allowing you to remove the screw without damaging the surrounding material. Don't toss out those crusty paintbrushes just yet. You can bring them back to life with a little vinegar magic. Soak your hardened paintbrushes in hot vinegar for about 30 minutes. The vinegar breaks down the dried paint, softening the bristles and restoring their flexibility. Rinse them thoroughly, and they'll be good as new. Chapter 4, Post-it Note, Dust Buster, Keep it clean. Drilling into walls and ceilings inevitably creates a shower of dust, but there's an easy way to contain the mess. Simply fold a Post-it note in half, sticky side out, and position it directly below where you'll be drilling. The Post-it note acts as a dust catcher, preventing debris from falling onto your work surface or, even worse, into your eyes. Chapter 5, Jar-ific Organization Fastener Freedom. Tired of rummaging through cluttered drawers for the right nail or screw? Let's get organized. Secure jar lids to the underside of a shelf using screws. Now, simply screw the jars containing your various fasteners onto the attached lids. You'll have a clear view of all your hardware and can easily access what you need. Chapter 6, Comb to the Rescue. Protect those fingers. Holding onto small nails while hammering can be a recipe for sore fingers. But here's a simple trick. Use a comb. The teeth of the comb act as a perfect nail holder, allowing you to hammer with precision without risking injury. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose an old comb. Chapter 7, Soap up for smoother screwing. Driving screws into hardwood can be tough, and you risk splitting the wood if you're not careful. Here's a slick solution. Grab a bar of soap and rub it along the threads of your screws. The soap acts as a lubricant, allowing the screws to glide into the wood more easily and reducing the chances of splitting. Don't throw away those old tennis balls. Give them a new life as handy tool holders. Simply cut an X into one side of the tennis ball. Then, mount the tennis ball to a wall or pegboard. The X opening creates a secure grip for small tools like screwdrivers, pliers, or even paintbrushes. Avoid messy paint drips with this simple hack. Clean an empty plastic milk jug and cut a small V shape into the top edge of the pouring spout. Tape the milk jug to the rim of your paint can, creating a custom pouring spout that prevents drips and spills. Heavy-duty zip ties are a DIYer's best friend. They can be used as temporary clamps for a variety of tasks like holding pieces together while glue dries or securing oddly shaped objects. Simply wrap the zip tie around the items you need to clamp and tighten it down. It's a quick and easy way to get a secure hold without needing bulky clamps. So there you have it, folks. 10 DIY handyman hacks to make your life easier and your projects even more successful. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. And with these simple tricks up your sleeve, you'll be tackling those DIY challenges like a seasoned pro in no time. Now get out there, get creative, and as always, take pride in what you build. Thanks for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy building!